Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to try this Japanese hack on how to lose tummy fat, and also the hack helps to reduce back pain. So it's a Japanese hack that was invented by a Japanese doctor on how to reduce the belly fat and also how to reduce the back pain. Guys, I'm not a doctor, so this is just something that I want to try because it has really been trending for years, and it's very simple. It's not like a workout, it's just a hack. So what you need is just a towel and a flat hard surface. Yeah, that's all you need. So guys, if you learned something from this video or if you tried this hack, make sure you leave a comment down below, and also make sure you share this video and also give it a thumbs up if you find it interesting. Okay,
so the first step is to roll your towel and make sure it's tightly rolled, and then do this on a flat hard surface because you want your back to stretch. Don't do this on your bed. So once you've rolled your towel, the next step is to rest your back on it, and you're going to place your towel directly under your navel. While you're in this position, make sure your toes are pointing inwards towards each other. And then now stretch your hands above your head and touch the floor. This is the hack, as simple as that. And then you're going to rest in that position for 5 minutes. So for me it was easy. I even did more than that. I actually did 8 minutes. So if you can do more than that, that is okay. I don't know if it's advisable, but I did like 8 minutes, 10 minutes. And I know some people who can do this for like 5 minutes, even 5 minutes. So you can do it for 2-3 minutes. If you have more fat, it might be hard for you to get to 5 minutes, so you can just do it for 2-3 minutes. I really love this hack because I felt like my back stretched after I did it. I can't advise you, I can't tell you like it really worked, but this is my day one and I really loved it. I loved how it felt and I felt like my back stretched. So guys, just comment down below if you tried, or if you know someone who has tried it and if it works. So you're supposed to do this for like a month to see the results, but I can just do this daily for fun as well because I felt like it really stretched my back, and I really felt relaxed and comfortable while doing this. So when I was lying down, I was actually looking at the clock in front of me and it was so boring. So you can just like play some music or put on some earphones when you're lying down like this. So right now I feel like my back has really stretched, and I feel my tummy is also stretched. When the 5 minutes are over, make sure you like lift yourself up gently. Don't just like lift yourself up the way you want. Just make sure you do it gently because you don't want to hurt yourself. Some parts of your body have stretched and you really need to do this like gently. Don't be in a hurry, you'll hurt yourself. So guys, if you haven't watched my previous videos on butt hacks, hip hacks, tummy hacks, I'll leave the links in the description box down below. Just in case you're interested, check the description box down below for more tips and tricks for flat tummy, big butt, small butt. Yeah.
it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.